Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily turn off antivirus on Windows 11 or 10 PC, specifically the Windows Defender Antivirus. This might be useful if you want to install an app or make a system change that the antivirus might block. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Now, let's get started. To temporarily turn off the antivirus, you can use the Windows Security app. This will disable the real-time protection, but the scheduled scans will still run. To do this, follow these steps. Open Start and type Windows Security to search for that app. Select the Windows Security app from the search results, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, select Manage Settings. Switch Real-Time Protection to Off. You'll see a warning message that your device may be vulnerable. Click Yes to confirm. That's it. You've temporarily turned off the antivirus on your PC. You can turn it back on any time by following the same steps and switching real-time protection to on. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.